Hello guys, this is Neil again with you with the 2011 dark gray Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. This was assigned to a Narcotics Task Force. They usually come with the dark tinted windows for privacy if they have CIs in the car. This one has just over 131,000 miles. One agent assigned. Just a little nick here. This is not rust. I just detailed it, cleaned it up from the inside. It's running, looks great, handles great, ready for sale, and for the price and the age, this is, by far, this is probably the best-selling color and sought-after color after the black. If not, it beats the black. You know what I'm saying? Everything works from the horn, turning signals, lights, brake lights, backup lights, everything. It's got only two holes, one here and one there. There's three holes. This was always unmarked. This was never a patrol vehicle. Original paint. Show you guys the engine compartment. Let's look at the inside. It comes with a power seat on the driver's side only. What makes this rare is the fact that it comes with a C6 rear differential axle. If you could see it, sorry guys, phone is acting up here. C6. Anyway, interior is very, very clean. Seats are clean. Only one light in the dashboard, which is the tire TPM, the tire pressure sensor, monitor sensor. The tires are okay. They hold air. Nothing wrong with the tires. In great shape. Let me open the trunk. Got the vinyl seat in the back, also clean. This never had a cage, and it was never a patrol. It was always an unmarked unit. Comes with the organizer, brand new spare. The good thing about this car is that it was not used. You got one emergency light in the rear, but it will be taken off unless whoever buys it is a police officer or active law enforcement, who will keep the emergency lights on. They're disabled now, but we're talking about a fuse here. Let me do the hood, and I'll show you what's rare about this car. Back with you. This is the engine compartment. I cleaned it up, but didn't detail it. Just cleaned it up. No rust. The C6 rear axle vehicles, they come with the green, bluish radiator hoses. Why? I don't know. But this one makes it stick out compared to the other ones, which the majority of them come with the Z5s, the rear axle. It runs great, very clean. This is my third car that I bought from this agency, and they really take care of their units, you know. Tires are in great shape, no rust at all. Looks great. If you have any questions, you want to come over and test drive this vehicle, give me a call, 773-255-9856. Mason Auto Sales LLC. I have quite a few Crown Vics right now. I specialize in vans, mostly vans, but I will always have Crown Vics around. So if you guys have any questions, I'll share this video on YouTube. Give me a call, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. Test drive this car. Look how quiet it is on the inside. It's really, really quiet. Back it up. It handles great. If it wasn't for the mileage, you would really think this baby is brand new. Steering column's tight, no vibration, no swaying. no rattling. Suspension is clean, is out of state, so it's rust free. All my Crown Vics are rust free, and I rarely drive buy a patrol unit that was a frontline patrol Crown Vic, but I have bought a few which are very, very clean, low mileage. But the majority of my cars are unmarked vehicles. This one actually comes with the books here, and does have the factory sticker with the price on it. It's listed on my website, the pictures and everything. So you guys any questions, information, comment on the video, give me a call, 773-255-9856. Thank you guys.